So what type of camera are you using to do your vlogs on? Are you using an action camera, like a DJI Osmo Action 5, the Action 4, or are you using like the Pocket 360? In this video, I'm actually shooting this entire vlog on the Extra Sphera, which is the 360 camera, which is identical to the DJI version, the DJI 360. Now, the reason I'm shooting on this camera, I'm a full disclosure here, Extra sent this one over to me because they wanted me to test it out and try it and see what I think about it. Because Extra is actually a shell company for DJI. December 23rd of last year, 2025, DJI, the full ban went into effect here in the United States. Oh, excuse me, I got the hiccups. Went into full effect here in the United States. DJI website is pretty much, it's there, but there's nothing in stock. So any of the DJI products you may be buying right now that for yourself personally, you're gonna have to get them through like a third party, like Amazon or something like that. So essentially when all of those are sold out, they're gone. Here comes Extra. They released the 360 camera, which is kind of interesting because I'm actually using DJI hardware on this and a DJI mic. So everything on it works the exact same. Now that being said, I want to talk about the app. App pretty much works identical to the DJI. Right now we are shooting in, let me double check. Yes, we are shooting in the D-Log, which is like called M-Log, I think, on the Extra. Which is the 10-bit log, same as you're going to get on your different action cameras through DJI, like the 5, 6, 4, and the Pocket and all that stuff. And when you download your footage from the 360, now it's a 360 footage that you can edit and everything. So I could be standing here right now, and let's say I want you to look over there for a second. Okay, yeah, cars are going by. Now come back to me. See, you'll be able to do all the editing and everything inside of the software and do a color recovery to make your footage look really good. I've been playing around with this camera going on about 3 weeks now. I've taken it off-road. I've had it mounted to the top of my truck, to the hood of my truck, under my truck. Everything about it has been working amazing so far. I've not had any kind of complaints. So yeah, I wanted to do this vlog today to talk about what type of camera are you using to do vlogs with, and to show you it doesn't necessarily have to be like a Sony A7 or a Sony ZV-1 or anything like that. You can use whatever you have at your disposal to make your vlogs and produce content. So yeah, it's that simple. Let's jump up here on the porch real quick and sit down in the chair and let's talk about this some more. Okay, so we're sitting down now, just kind of enjoying ourselves for the day. What I've basically been trying to do is make a video a day for the next 30 days, talking about different cameras, different mindsets you get into as a vlogger and a content creator here on YouTube. And like I said, today's video was pretty simple. I just wanted to be able to show you that you don't necessarily have to have some huge camera rigs or anything like that to shoot a vlog video. I'm shooting this on a 360 camera, a camera designed to be like strapped to a motorcycle, off-road vehicles and stuff like that. And yet here I am doing it. You know what? And for that matter, let's just go ahead and take this out. Shoot your videos. That's pretty much all I need to say. You have everything that you need to start your YouTube channel right here in your pocket, your phone. So I think of the excuses for us, I don't have the right equipment to shoot a vlog, to go out and do this kind of content. The excuses are gone, especially with the newer iPhones. If you have anything in the iPhone categories from an iPhone 12 up to the newest release, they have amazing cameras in it. The Androids, the S22, the S24, now the S26 Ultra. Amazing cameras in it. We've pretty much eliminated all the excuses a person can have for, I can't get out and do a vlog. I just showed you doing a vlog on a 360 action camera. So, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.